What I did today, you all, I wanted to have some fun, so I let Google pick my makeup. You do that by putting in your first initial and your last initial and see what it came up with. And mine was a good SAR, a very expensive good SAR, but it was a lot of pinks and reds and this mauve color that faded. I'll insert the clips in the video, so no need to hold y'all up. Let's have fun and let's get started. And this True Match, this True Blend foundation from CoverGirl. It's all the way live, so baby. It is called the Standard Gibson Electric Shock Pink Fade Guitar, retailing at $2,199. I've heard of Gibson, I've heard of the guitars. I'm just, you know, I ain't trying to buy it or nothing, but let's see what pink and red look we can come up with. This is it here, and I'm also going to insert the clip on the screen as I go, so y'all can tell me how I do. So it looked like we got some silvers, we got some blacks. I think this can really be cute, so as y'all can see, part of this video belongs to something else. This is the CoverGirl Truly Matte Made Foundation video, and I'm just going to roll it into the eye look. So I'm going to start off by cleaning up my base and my eyeshadow, and this is with the NYX Truly Matte But Not Flat powder. You know this, so we can have some sort of transition, which in my crease, I'm going to pop this beautiful red color in my crease. Now, I know you say red in a crease, but this color came from the store in the mall, Hot Topics, a really gothic-like store. Red powder. But like I said, it's labeled as an eyeshadow, but I never used to use it at that because I just don't think people were into red eyeshadows. But I kind of always did what I wanted to do far as makeup. So this was definitely one that I use on the eyes. I use on the lips. And it's very red. It's looking a little bit harsh. I'm just going to go in with my face powder here. Put it on the outside and just buff out the harsh lines. And blending is key with makeup, y'all. Like, I'm placing this on the very tip of the red shadow. Soften up that line. That way we don't kill all the shadow. Because I'm going to go back in with the black on the outside to give it some dimension as well. So just want to buff that out. My Makeup Revolution concealer in C13 and cutting my crease. And I'm going to actually bring this up a little bit high. Like, I let that mark the spot for me. And see, it gave me the perfect place to start and stop my cut crease. I went over my cut crease area with the concealer. I did some mix and medium on top of that. So to get the true payoff of that mauve pink, we're going to go into this Fit Me blush and pack that blush on the lid because it's a mauve pink that fades into red. And this is very beautiful, y'all. Blushes on the eyeshadow, on the eyelids are very beautiful. But just to heighten that up and to intense that a little bit more, I'm going to go into my Fenty Beauty Dual. This is the ginger binge side of it. Yes, this is pretty. I always like pinks on the lid, but I can't hop up here with the pink lid eyeshadow look all the time, so I have to switch it up. But this is bomb, y'all. So with a small detailer brush, we're going to take this mauve burgundy faded red color and we're going to go directly in the crease to blend that out and give that gradient effect like it is in the good. We're going to go in with that Morphe, the dusty black, the smoky black on the bottom waterline with that red, y'all, just to add some oomph. Let's do Code Breaker by NYX. I haven't used this in a while, and this is super pretty, y'all. It fades. It fades into like a two-tone type of color, but I think that'll work perfect for this. Just brush it in a little bit. Naturally, if we with the mauve with the pinks, we just need to hit it with a little bit of the Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule right above that and flip over. I like to hit Moscow Mule a little higher there. And this pinky mauve is just coming to life. This last part of Google Picks My Makeup, I'm going to do a pink and a red ombre lip. First going in with the MAC Chestnut. Chestnut is the holy grail, so that's going to be in every tutorial. The chestnut, I'm going to go in with the, this is MAC's Lip Pencil in Cherry. This just gives me some longevity. Feels so grand. Retro liquid matte with this bubblegum pink. Is another liquid retro matte by MAC. And it's called Divine Divine. Now I must admit that I did you wrong.